Yes, hi, this is Alex, and we're doing a final test of this Shopsmith Power Pro Headstock. We received these things with display a problem of low voltage on the display. The cause was determined to be bad power supply. So we replaced the power supply with a refurbished power supply, and now we will perform the test. Powering up the machine. The machine goes through its normal boot up procedure, and it shows that machine is ready to run at 500 RPM. Let's go ahead and run it. As you can tell, there is no error message. Machine runs fine. We'll stop it, and again we don't see any problem as far as the message. Let's do the test at higher RPM and see what we get. Let's do 2000. Go on to ask us to confirm. Everything is fine. Display is still fine. No messages. It just runs. And that would conclude our test of this power head after the replacement of the power supply. Thank you.